Hi, I can't believe this is happening, but yeah, finally it is after a long 5, 6 years. So today I'm going to office. I have something to pick up, some documents to print. Let's go. Hello. It is so hot today. I don't wore this sweater thinking that it's going to be cold, but it's like super hot and I'm loving it. Summer is going to come, but I'm leaving. I am done. I just ordered some Swiggy, finding some place where I can sit and eat. I don't know if I'll ever come back again. Yeah. Okay, so I ordered some roll from Rolls and King. I mean, mm, yum, but it's maida. Hello, it's the next day, and I'm going to go and get the international driver's license. I don't know if I'll drive, but just taking it for safe side. Yeah. Let's go. So you'll need to carry your original passport, your Aadhaar card, and your ticket, and one more thing, your license. I totally forgot that they're going to take a picture for the license, and I was looking ridiculous. This is how I tied up my hair because it's so hot. At least I should put some lipstick. Look at my eyebrows. Hi. So I just started packing. Just wanted to show you these organizers that I bought from Amazon. Ziploc bags. These are like small, medium, and large. So I can like put anything that I want, like skincare, something that I don't want to leak, stuff like that. And it also has like broad bottom to, put a lot of stuff. And then this is like a suction kind of pack where you have to like put the vacuum in this so that, it becomes a smaller pack. But then it gives you more space, but then the weight will be the same, obviously. And then I got these small containers for putting shampoo, conditioner, and stuff. So I'm slowly starting to freak out, okay? Hello, it's been 2 days, I think. But what I did was I did a lot of things, but I didn't film because I was like running around and trying to do a lot of stuff. So first went to get my blood tested, like general CBP and thyroid, because my periods came really late, like 38 days. So just get a check and see. But everything's normal. So today I have to go and show the reports, get some tablets, some medicines, take a lot of meftal spas for my stomach pain. So I'm taking these two suitcases, two 23, and then this one is a cabin bag, and this is a laptop bag. And I got my license, my driving license. This is how it comes. I got my Airtel plan changed from postpaid to prepaid, which was such a hassle. I don't know why it happened for me like that, but I was not able to recharge the whole day. Now it's working. I went and bought a lot of snacks. Like I bought like two pickles, and what else did I do? I got my roots colored. I got my eyebrows, upper lip, everything done. I think I'm almost set. Now the only thing left is RT-PCR, which I'm so nervous and scared. I have this one bag in which I have a lot of whispers. Like to fill this gap, I put like whispers under it. And then this is all the makeup I have, and I have my stand here. And then I have all this clothes that has to get into that. Then I have this suitcase. I don't want to remove anything, but I have a lot of clothes down. And then these are like some containers, some masalas which are put in this box. I have a water bottle, a flask, some cooking spoons, my Kindle, and a cooker in which I put all the masalas, shoes, and just some soft stuff, some packing around. Okay, so I got them all rolled up, all my lingerie stuff in here, t shirts, dresses, sweatshirts, two blankets, bed sheets, and like a semi blanket thing, jacket, Let me just put this all in that red one. So I stuffed like one layer of rolls. I've made sure I've packed in every single corner. Like, so you have to like spread it across and stuff whatever gaps are there. I have this much left. I'll put another layer of this. Okay, so in this bag, I have like all kitchen stuff. I already packed it here. I have like some pickles here, which I've double packed it. And I have some packing like clothes on the sides to, ensure that the kitchen stuff doesn't break. Some snacks, like extra toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, everything. And this is an extra coat. And yeah, this is packed, fully packed. I put my comforter, toiletries, some makeup extra, then this is all my electronic stuff, lingerie, some IKEA bag for like shopping. I'm going to wait and see. This is yet to be done. I didn't film anything. I'm just so like a lot of anxiety, nervousness, excited. So I'm not like picking up the camera and filming something. But I gave my RT-PCR yesterday, and I'm supposed to get it today. Just for safe side, I gave a rapid RT-PCR also. RT-PCR was 500 and the rapid one was 900, and it's negative. I'm yet to get the RT-PCR. But yeah, I'm so relieved. I guess I'm all set. I just have to finally weigh all the 3 suitcases and see if I can stuff in some more things. I got my US number. I got it ordered from Leica Mobile. It's waiting to leave in 4 hours now.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Hello, I am finally in the airport. I had such a stressful journey here to the airport. I first of all went to the international airport because I thought it's an international flight, but then you're supposed to go to I had a connecting flight from Hyderabad to Delhi, so I have to come to the domestic airport. You have like 2 different terminals, like 6 minutes drive. So I had to like rush to the domestic airport. And when I came here, I had like one, like you saw the cabin bag and then 1 laptop bag. But then she was like, only 8 kilos of 1 handbag is allowed. So she asked me to check in with the cabin bag, and I checked that in, and I took off all the, important stuff in it, the documents. I don't know, I'm hoping I get it safe and everything in it in Chicago. I checked that in, and now I have just this one backpack with me. I enjoyed my dosa. I'm going to board now. See ya.
I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive it kills. And it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go.
Okay, this might seem like I'm really complaining the whole video, but this is the Delhi airport, and the number of times we've checked in, I found a friend. I mean, friend is since I made a friend. The number of times you have to do a security check at this airport is not funny. This is like the 3rd time I'm going to do it now. Here in this line, crazy, system. I don't know what. Why do we have to check the bag so many times, scan it so many times? We're just waiting to board the flight to Chicago.